do, la da 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 da. Oh, what a wonderful day today! I really want to draw something nice and bright. I'll take a drawing pad and some crayons. What? Oh, unbelievable, Sam!
What?
Is this your doing?
No!
Who did it then?
Fluffy did. Jumped right into the box, and it all got broken.
Uh-huh, just like that, huh?
You can draw with small pieces too, right?
Small pieces won't do. Oh, I think I've got it. Come on, you'll help me.
And if I do, will you give me crayons to draw?
Of course. What are you going to draw?
You'll see when I'm done.
Hi guys, my guess is many of you are familiar with this problem, broken crayons. Today, I'll try to give them a second life.
Will they be as good as new?
Something like that. But first... we need to sort them by colors.
Oh, not that fun anymore.
Ah.
This is hard work.
Let's see. This one here. And these over there. This color into that pile. Hey, Sam, how's it going over there?
Ew.
Hey, what is this? Don't tell me you've tasted the crayon. Oh, Sammy. I'll move your crayons over here. There, we're done sorting. Now we need to break them. Sam, what scared you so much? It's not you I'm going to break. Besides, slimes don't break.
I'm not scared. I just lay down to rest after work.
Yeah, I get it. I'll take the crayons and put them in a plastic bag. There. Now I'll smash them. There. I need to break them into really small pieces.
Ooh, I want to smash them too! I'll take my own tool for this. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, this is hard. Bam, 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 bam.
Yeah. Ha.
Go, Susie, go! Go, Susie, go! Go, Susie, go!
Wow, looks great.
It does? But you can't draw with them at all now.
No, you can't. But I'll take this mold and put the broken crayons into it. Each color into its own cavity.
Ah. Ooh, guys, I've just remembered something. Today, crayons are made of paraffin wax with some coloring added. And the first crayons were made of beeswax. Ha-ha! There.
I'll add a little bit more. And done. I'll put it into the oven. Guys, the oven is very hot, so be really careful and ask an adult to help you.
Oh, they're melting. Oh, bubbling even.
Yep, they're supposed to do that. And done. We'll take them out and leave them to cool.
Is it ready yet? My inner artiste desires to draw.
Ready. I just need to take them out of the mold. All right, and come on, out you go. There. Oh, look. So cute. And another one. Here we go.
Wow.
Just 2 left. Wow, they're so bright. Here, look.
Yay! Crayons are saved. I'll take this one.
What for?
I need it.
All right. These crayons are so colorful and bright! I just have to try them out right away. Oh man, it's so fun to draw with these crayons! Hey guys, if you liked this idea for saving broken crayons, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see Sam's new adventures!
Oh, yeah. Oh, and here, and finishing a touch.
Sam, so what are you drawing?
Look!
Oh wow, this is great!